Welcome to our channel. Here, we learn English with fun adventures. Let's practice together.
Where is the milk? Where is the milk?
Excuse me, where are the apples? Excuse me, where are the apples? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Which aisle is the bread in? Which aisle is the bread in? How much is this? How much is this? Where can I find a cart? Where can I find a cart?
Where is the checkout line? Where is the checkout dot line?
I have my own bags. I have my own bags.
Can I pay with a card? Can I pay with a card? Can I pay with a card?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Hope you learned more. Subscribe for more videos.